Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Have you ever experienced this kind of situation whereby you are trying to install Windows on your computer, but at the Windows setup menu you see an error code like this: Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk is of GPT partition style. Have you ever experienced such a situation like this before? Good. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can rectify this issue and install a Windows on your computer successfully. So let's dive into it. So what you want to do is you want to go back to Windows setup menu. Go back to Windows setup menu. I'll close this right here. Sometimes installing an operating system on a computer, on a laptop, can seem so difficult sometimes. Alright, so at the Windows startup level or startup menu, which is the first Windows when you're trying to install operating system, you want to press and hold down Shift and F10. You want to press and hold down Shift and F10. Once you do this, then the command prompt will display. On the command prompt, you want to type Diskpart, and press enter. Now the Diskpart has been selected. Under the Diskpart, you type list disk, enter. Now the disk has been listed. Now we are going to select which of the disks we want to convert to MBR. Which of the disks we want to remove the GPT from. From my screen, you can see that disk 0 contains 465 gig, which is approximately 500 gigabytes. Then disk 1 contains 14, disk 2 contains 14 gigs. We are going to make use of the disk 0. So select disk 0 by typing select disk 0. We are going to select disk 0. Select disk 0 and press enter. Now disk 0 is now the selected disk. Now what do you want to do next? You want to clean the disk. So you type clean. Now the Diskpart succeeded in cleaning the disks. Now we have successfully cleaned the disks. Now I want to convert it to MBR. Convert MBR. Now we've successfully converted the disks to MBR, as you can see from the screen. Now let's close this and go back to our installation and let's see if it will work. Install. Okay. Let's continue. So you see, we no longer receive that error code or error message that Windows cannot be installed on this disk. Now Windows can be installed on this disk. Now what you want to do, I like to partition my disks. So what I will do is that I will partition these disks. Partition. Okay, now it has been partitioned. Now let me do the same for the other one. So guys, you see, now that error message is no longer there. We can successfully install our Windows. Let's do that now. Let's install Windows. Now Windows is installing on our computer hard drive right now, as you can see from the screen. Windows has started installing on the computer. So this is how you convert your hard drive from GPT to MBR. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel wherever you find this video, and like and share so that others can also benefit from this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.